Closing an options position on Questrade involves selling the options contract you previously bought or buying back the contract you sold short. Here's how to do it. Log into your Questrade account. Go to Questrade's website or use the Questrade app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to your options position. Click on the Accounts tab to view your holdings. Select the account where the options position is held. Locate the options contract. Find the options contract you want to close. This can be done under the options positions section. You will see a list of all your open options positions. Select the option to close. Click on the options contract you wish to close. This will bring up the trading details for that specific option. Place a closing order. Choose sell if you initially bought the option and want to sell it. If you shorted the option, choose buy to cover. Enter the number of contracts you want to close and select the order type. Review and confirm. Review the order details carefully. Make sure you're closing the correct contract and the order type is set correctly. Click submit to execute the order. Monitor the trade. Check your order status to ensure the order is executed. The position will be marked as closed once the transaction is completed.